Keystone analysts recently attended the annual LD Micro event in Los Angeles, California on June 4th to 6th. The conference consisted of 234 micro and small cap companies and was primarily attended by institutional investors and analysts. The event schedule centered on individual company presentations and scheduled meetings, as opposed to conventional trade show booth format. We attended about 15 presentations and 10 individual company meetings. Before embarking on our trip, Keystone analysts performed an initial analysis on each of the 234 attending companies, applying Keystone's rigorous growth value investment criteria. As is typical with most micro small cap events, the vast majority of the companies did not come close to passing even our initial screening test. Does the company have revenue and profit in the most recent quarter? However, we were pleased to see that a meaningful portion of the companies did pass some of our initial tests and possessed enough investment merit that we could dig deeper with further analysis. The table flow summarizes how the attending companies rank based on our interest level. Out of the 234 companies, there were 11 companies that had high interest level. Those are companies that are worth monitoring for at least a couple of quarters, high revenues and revenue growth, profitability at least in the last quarter, and potential for profit acceleration in the near term. Important to note that these are not recommendations and do not satisfy our full investment criteria. 31 companies had a medium level of interest, companies with some investment merits but likely far from satisfying our full investment criteria, generally have revenue and revenue growth but not profitable, or do not have a visible pathway to near-term profitability. Low level of interest, 192 companies, companies that don't satisfy even our minimum investment criteria, generally no revenue or any signs of future profitability. This report provides research summaries on 11 of the companies in our high interest category and short comments on 31 of the companies in our medium category. The high category also includes 3 companies currently under coverage. Overall, we found the event to be very worthwhile. It was nice to see some profitable growing stocks with interesting businesses at a microcap event. We look forward to reviewing the LD Microcap company list when it is updated for the next event in December.